Rheinmetall MG3, the buzzsaw. This terrifying general-purpose machine gun is a direct descendant of the legendary weapons that dominated global battlefields. It fires at an absolutely blistering rate of over 1,000 rounds per minute to create an impenetrable wall. The massive, sheer, terrifying sound of the cyclic rate is enough to break enemy morale instantly during combat. Heckler & Koch MG5, the heavy hammer. This modern belt-fed machine gun was adopted to officially replace the aging heavy weapons of the German military. It unleashes a devastating volume of heavy-caliber suppressive fire to physically shred light vehicles and entrenched positions. Whether fired from a bipod in the mud or mounted heavily on a tactical vehicle, its firepower is legendary. Heckler & Koch HK-21, the belt-fed. This highly versatile general-purpose machine gun was heavily utilized during the formative years of German special operations. It cleverly allowed operators to seamlessly switch between heavy belt-fed ammunition and standard box magazines during firefights. The incredibly quick change barrel system ensured the weapon could deliver absolutely relentless suppressive fire without ever overheating. M134 minigun, the serval shredder. This electrically driven rotary machine gun is heavily mounted on specialized commando fast attack vehicles for overwhelming firepower. It fires an astonishing 3,000 rounds per minute to completely obliterate enemy ambushes during rapid desert exfiltration. The sheer terrifying volume of kinetic energy guarantees that KSK operators can instantly break through fortified enemy blockades. M2 Browning, the heavy mount. This legendary 50 caliber heavy machine gun serves as the absolute primary armament for elite tactical deployment vehicles. It fires massive heavy projectiles capable of effortlessly punching through deeply reinforced concrete and entirely destroying light armor. Operators completely rely on its unmatched destructive kinetic power to entirely dominate the battlefield during long-range patrols. PKM, the Soviet belt. This extremely lightweight general-purpose machine gun is the absolute primary suppressive weapon utilized by hostile global forces. German commandos completely master its unique right-side feeding mechanism to confidently operate captured enemy heavy weapons. Its incredibly simple gas system guarantees absolute mechanical reliability even when the weapon is practically melting from automatic fire. Next is the light machine guns. Heckler & Koch MG4, the Squad Automatic. Adopted to provide lightweight belt-fed firepower, this weapon allowed individual operators to carry significantly more combat ammunition. It was explicitly designed to be easily operated by a single commando during highly mobile and aggressive flanking maneuvers. It perfectly unleashes a terrifying volume of fully automatic suppressive fire to physically pin down enemy troop formations. Heckler & Koch HK-23, the Light Belt. This highly versatile light machine gun fires the standard NATO assault rifle cartridge to completely streamline ammunition logistics. It cleverly allows elite operators to seamlessly transition from heavy belt-fed ammunition to a standard box magazine. The incredibly quick change barrel system ensured the weapon could deliver absolutely relentless suppressive fire without physically overheating. Heckler & Koch G8, the drum beater. This highly specialized automatic rifle bridges the massive gap between a standard assault weapon and a heavy machine gun. It utilizes the legendary roller-delayed blowback system to deliver incredibly accurate automatic fire from a massive drum magazine. Early KSK operators heavily favored it for its absolute mechanical reliability during intense and highly violent counter-terrorism deployments. RPK, the Eastern Squad. This heavily reinforced Soviet light machine gun takes a standard assault rifle design and violently scales it up. KSK operators rigorously study its distinct physical silhouette to instantly prioritize heavily armed enemy combatants during sudden ambushes. The massive 40-round box magazine provides incredibly relentless suppressive fire to deeply pin down friendly maneuvering elements.